What's up guys? In today's video we're going to be discussing how to find a Hot Wheels premium chase. So I've been getting a lot of comments about is there a such thing as a premium treasure hunt? And there is. It's called a chase piece. So here on screen you can see a Liberty Walk Super Silhouette Nissan Skyline R34 Mountain Drift. This is just a normal base premium. This is still going to go for quite a lot of money because it's a Skyline. But it is not a chase, so if you guys are wondering how can I tell if it's a chase, we will show you different cars and different variations of the chases. So right here we see a black Liberty Walk Skyline, the exact same car as the red one, but obviously this one is black and this one is the chase. So there is a way to identify the chase really easily. And not every black premium will be a chase, quite obviously. But I'm pretty sure that they are all black. I don't recall seeing a premium chase that wasn't black. But here's some things to look for. So moving on down to the bottom right of the card, you can see that this says 0 out of 5. This is the best way to tell if the car is a chase. Most premiums come in sets of 5. In fact, I'm pretty sure all premiums that have a chase in it come in a set of 5. So whenever you are looking at your premium sets, always look out for 0 out of 5. Also, this Skyline goes for a ton of money. I've even saw one bidding in the 300s. I'm pretty sure it was up to 350, but they are also selling for 350. Here's another example. So right here we see a Lamborghini Countach. This is just a regular premium. And here is the chase version of the Lamborghini Countach premium. This one actually released this year, and one of my friends has it, but I don't have it. Was not lucky enough to find it in stores. Here we have another very cool premium. This is the Lamborghini Essenza. I'm pretty sure this was also this year. Maybe it was the end of last year. I think it was this year. But either way, this one, once again, you could tell this chase version is going to sell for a ton of money because of how cool of a car this is. Here is the chase version of the car, once again in black, 0 out of 5 on the bottom right. This one looks awesome. I was lucky enough to get actually I didn't find it. I bought it from a diecast shop, the normal Essenza non-chase. But the last time I saw this, I'm pretty sure it was around $60. I'm pretty sure it was a higher price than that, and it lowered recently. But it is a really cool looking chase. After looking at this, it makes me reconsider my thumbnail because I genuinely didn't know this was the listing price. But I don't think anyone's going to be selling it at this price because, once again, I did say I saw one bidding and the bid ended at around like $350. I can't really find a lot of them on eBay right now, so I don't think that this is the normal price, but still is an insane price for this car. I don't know how rare it is, but yeah, quite a cool chase. The last thing I want to talk about is when you're in the store, what car would be the chase in the set of 5? So you could pretty much guess what it is every time. It's pretty much going to be the nicest car, or that's not a very good way to tell, but you just need to look it up on YouTube or online. But yeah, if you have any questions, make sure to comment it down below. I will probably see the comment. Thank you for almost 3,000 subscribers. We're closing in. If you like the video, it'll really help me out on YouTube. And yeah, I hope this video helped you. Keep collecting, and I will see you in the next one.